Hello, SirParts online subscribers. Welcome to our Java programming topic number 3, Java output numbers. And guys, please don't forget to subscribe and like our channel, SirParts online. Yun, last time we were able to display, using system.out.println the text and like to one. Okay, so we have our hello to this one, the text, and what we do is we put the text inside the double quote so that we could display some text. So for right for our topic today, we are going to create a program. Already made a program. This one, the name of the class is number, and we saved at using number.java. And if you're going to display a number, you just type the number inside the parentheses in the system.out.println method. And let's try to compile that one. So we will go to our run. We are going to edit our run, and we will change hello to number.java, and here in Java we type here number. Then we are going to save that. Every time that you're going to create a new program, you just need to edit this particular part, this line and also this line. So let's try to click the code. Let's go to our folder and click that. And okay, so you can see the number 20. So let's try again. Let's try to update. Let's try to change. Let's try to add another code here. Send it out at println 120. Let's try to save. And once you save that, you need to compile it again in order to change the class. Okay. Okay, there you go. You have 20 and 120. So, okay, and also you can do some calculations inside your code, like here 20 plus 20 and 120 times 2. Asterisk is used for multiplication, while the plus symbol is used for addition. You could also have here some division. 120 divided by 2, and subtraction. System dot out dot println 120 minus 20. So normally this one, the result of this will be 40. This one is 120 times 2 to 40, and 120 divided by 2 is 60, and 120 minus 20 is 100. So let's try to save. After saving, you need to compile. We will use our run.bat. Okay, so you have 40. Let's try to check. Where's our code? Our code. Here's our code and our result. Okay, so 20 plus 20, that is 40. 120 times 20 times 2 is 240. 120 divided by 2, 60. 120 minus 20 is 100. So that's it, guys. That's how you're going to display numbers using our println method. So thank you very much for watching, and always remember, guys, learning is lifetime. And please do watch our other videos. We already have two videos before this one, and Please also watch our other shows, guys. Thank you very much. Always remember, learning is lifetime. Bye.